Hello students, we already started the lesson. Actually, the name of the lesson is the resources. Is it or not? So today we are going to see about on the basis of ownership. So based on the ownership, resources can be classified into what is it? Four actually: individual resources, community-owned resources, national resources, and international resources. International individual resources means our own houses will be there, or maybe own building will be there. That's only individual resources are privately owned by individual, separate person. Okay. Community owned resources are resources which can be utilized by all the members of the community. Example, public park. So it will be utilized by what is it, without discrimination, any based on the religion or based on the caste, without that all. The park utilizing that will be called as the public park. The community owned resources are resources which can be utilized by all the members, not for one particular religion or particular group of people alone. It was a public place. It's for all. That's only community owned resources. Okay. Next one, if you see, means national resources. The resources which is political boundaries and oceanic area of the country. For example, forest region is there. It is only for in our country. The forest region is there means only for our country only we have the rights for what is it, maintaining that, and for whatever it may be. Our country only we have as having the rights. That's only national resource. And what are the resources available in that particular forest? It's utilized by our country only. It can't be used by any other some other countries or some other people other than our country. So that's the thing. National resources or resources with in the political boundaries and oceanic area of the country. Example, tropical forest regions of the India. So tropical forest regions of India, it's authorized person who will be our Indian government only. Okay. Yes. So another small information: tropical rainforests are called the world's largest pharmacy, as 25% of the natural vegetations are medicinal plants. See, tropical rainforest is there, no? World largest pharmacy, that only. Okay, so in that 25% of the natural vegetations are medicinal plants only. Okay, yes. Next one, international resources are all oceanic resources found in the open ocean. Resources found in the region can be utilized only after an international agreement. Example, ambergris. Okay, ambergris. It's what is that? It's one of the area which we can get some minerals, and for you it will be used for some other. For example, what we are getting means ambergris is an extract from the sperm of whale. The pound 0.444 kg or 1 pound 454 kg is equal to 1 pound of a sweet smelling ambergris worth US 63,000 and used in a perfume industries. So what we are getting means the sperm whale actually. That is one of the material we are getting. That will be used by the perfume industries. Okay, so this thing we want to get means we want to put the agreement actually. Okay, all oceanic resources found in the open ocean, yeah, everyone having the rights, but resources found in the region can be utilized only after an international agreement. International agreement we want to do, so then only we can utilize that particular resources which is available. Okay, yes, this is your ownership. Okay, next one, man-made resources. So natural resources are modified or processed by the technology into man-made resources. Example, sugarcane processed to the get sugar, and all structures built by man can also be called the man-made resources. Example, bridges, houses, roads. These are all the man-made resources. Is it or not? Sugarcane. Normally we are getting the sugarcane that will be converted as a sugar. It's a man-made resources. Okay. And transforming a raw material into finished goods. It will be called as a secondary activity. It's very important, one mark. The transforming of the raw material into finished goods is called the secondary activity. Okay, yes. Man's skills and ideas are the basic requirements of these activities. Man's skills and ideas are the basic requirement of these activities. So we need a idea and we need a skill of the human. These two things is must for these activities. Okay. The next one, human resources. Human resources is a group of individuals who use the nature of create more resources. Though human beings are basically natural resources, we classify human beings separately. Education, health, knowledge and skill have made them valuable. So human resources is much. For example, in overall society, if you see, means we have the police, we have the doctors, we have the nursing people, and we have the advocates, we have the teachers, we have the business people, okay, and we have the laborers. Everyone is there. So these are all the human resources. Example, doctors, teachers, scientists, territory activities are basically concerned with the distributions of the primary and the secondary through a system of the transport and trade. Example, banking, trade and communication. The quantity of the quality institutions or organization involved in this making professionals decide the human resources of the country. So human resources is also one of the resources. Nowadays more human resources available in our country. That's also young human resources. Overall the world, if you see, means in our India only we have the young human resources. What is by young human resources means 25 to 40 age people will be more compared to any other country in the world. Okay, so that will be the human resources. Okay, so that's it about today's topic. Remaining certain Gandhi thought on resources and resources planning management, conservation of the resources. Simple topics only. We can finish this lesson in next class actually. Okay. So what is the question means? Discuss about the man-made resources and the human resources. Write a note on resources on the basis of the ownership. These are all the two questions. So understand the video. Write your answer properly. Send it on time. Okay. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.